All right, folks, let's talk about radishes. They're crunchy, they're spicy, and today we're turning this humble root into the star of the show. We're making Seokbakji or cubed radish kimchi, a dish so good it'll make your rice jealous. Forget soggy salads or boring side dishes. This is the crunchy, spicy upgrade your meals have been begging for. And don't worry, you don't need to be a kimchi master to pull this off. If you can chop a radish and mix stuff in a bowl, you're already halfway there. So grab your apron, your radishes, and maybe a bib, because things are about to get deliciously messy.
Okay, Seokbakji. Basically, you can cut it in any form you want. Usually we cut it like as if you were sharpening a pencil. By adding the chili powder and mixing it first before we put the sauce in, it makes the kimchi more red, thus look tastier. You don't want to eat pink kimchi.
Our path is clear and bright. Flavors bold, but health is what guides me. Korean cooking won't give up fight.